It's a clear sky to the sun, Oven Robin.
Hey all you hungry people, welcome back to my insanity. Today we're making a frittata in the sun oven. I've got a cast iron pan in here with butter. It is nice and hot, it's about 300 degrees. We're going to close that, keep it hot. And we are adding to our frittata about a medium to a small onion cut up. I'm using what I have, so I've got a good handful size of asparagus, half of a medium zucchini cut up, chopped, and then we've got a half of a red pepper. Remember, you use whatever you have in your kitchen. I have a pound of sausage. It might be too much, but we will see. It's always an experiment here. I have maybe a half of a cup of shredded cheddar and a cup of Gouda cheese that doesn't have any other hot spicy flavorings in it. We've got 12 dozen eggs that I have cracked and scrambled up into this dish, and I've got hot pepper flakes in there and salt and pepper, and that is it. I will not be adding any cream. And the reason that we're doing it into the bowl, which I normally wouldn't do if I was cooking inside the house, is because the pan in the sun oven is nice and level, so it doesn't tip as we pour the ingredients into the pan. Look at that color. I'm all about color and flavor. All right, that's pretty good. We're going to take it over to the sun oven, grab our mitt. Open it up. I'm going to hold on to this. And I'm just going to pour that in there. And we are just going to sit back and let it do its thing. It's a beautiful sunny day, so why not? Make sure we can close that. I did bring a cover to put over the pan in case it needs it, because a lot of times the steam will accumulate on the glass, so we'll wait and see if that actually happens. So I went ahead and put the cover back on, or put the cover on the pan, because the glass, you can see the water streaks on there, was steaming up here. So we're going to close that to prevent it from continuously steaming on the glass, and that just slows down any sun getting in there. We're still at about a little bit over 300 degrees. Usually when I cook a frittata in the oven, I cook it about 350 to 400, and it only takes about 40 minutes. So this is going to take a bit longer, but that's okay. You can see it's starting to steam up again, and we're just going to dry that off quick. You can see the frittata is starting to firm up. When it's no longer liquid in the middle, then we will take it out of the sun oven and it'll be done. That's how we test how it is done. And this frittata is done. I just went in and opened it up. Took a look at the, kind of hard to do this one-handed, but we'll get there. Took the cover off. And I just poked in the middle, and you can see it's not soupy or anything. So it is done. It's nice and browned on the top. And we'll take that out and see how wonderful it tastes. It is a beautiful looking masterpiece. Another telltale sign of if it's done is when it starts to steam a lot on your door, you can pretty much guarantee that it's near done. Take that out with two hands because it is in cast iron, and that is very heavy. And there you go. Beautiful. So, all right, here we have the finished product. A asparagus, onion, cheese, zucchini, and red pepper frittata. Oh, with pork sausage and eggs, of course.